Hi, Paramanand Ashok Pawar, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department, NB Navale, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have completed my BE from Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon. After that, I have completed my GEM.Tech in Power System from TNT Bhopal. Now, currently I am having the 8 plus year teaching experience in electrical engineering field. Today we are discussing or detail about how the virtual lab is used for the performing of the experiment. So will start to discuss how the virtual lab is working. First of all, click the link which is given to you. That link is COEP virtuallab.jc.in. So first step is to do the registration here. Write down first name, last name, middle name, date of birth, mobile number, your gender, then select the institute. So the select the institute, there are different institutes, so from that we'll select our institute, that is NB Navale Sinhagad College of Engineering, and give your mail ID and tick into that particular box and do the registration. So after registration, a mail is sent to your mail ID along with the password. So use this password for the first login. So after that, go to the home session. So we'll get another window in which we have to sign in our mail ID. So here is my mail ID and the password of my mail. So this is the password. So after clicking on that particular link, we'll get this type of page in which our name is here, that is welcome Paramanand Pawar for using of virtual lab. So we are electrical engineer, so we can select the branch. So we are selecting that branch of electrical engineering. So after selection of electrical engineering, there are different experiments which are performing on the electrical engineering. So there are different sections are there. So there is a section called as electrical machine. We are clicking on that particular electrical machine. So after that, another window is open in which different experiments which are carried out on electrical machine. So if you want to do the experiments, so I will select the open circuit test on a 3-phase alternator. So for that I am clicking on that particular link. So this experiment, that is open circuit test on alternator, will be opening. So after some time this test will be open. So this is will be the procedure for the opening of any experiment to perform in a virtual lab. So basically this is the procedure that we want to follow here for the performing of COEP lab, that is COEP virtual lab for the experiments. So this is the link in which we have get the open circuit test on a 3-phase alternator. So this is the aim of your experiment, that is to study open circuit test on a 3-phase alternator. So the theory regarding this part is available with us. So this is the theory. So before we going to start the experiment, first of all read out this theory. So after completion of theory, there is a procedure. So while performing the experiment, the detailed procedure is available with us. So with the help of that procedure, we want to perform the experiment. So for performing the experiment, we want to click on the simulator. So this is the simulator screen. So after clicking on simulator, there is a simulation will start. So there is another link for the simulation, that is click here for the simulator. So we are clicking on that particular link, that is basically the opening of window for the performing of experiment, that is load test on a 3-phase alternator. So in that particular load test of the alternator, we want to select the experiment number 5 and put into that screen. It will appears the whole circuit diagram on that particular link. So this is the actual circuit diagram for performing the experiment on a virtual lab. So this will be the circuit diagram for performing the experiments on a virtual lab. So after that we'll start the another discussion, that is the performance of the basically the virtual lab clicking. So we are getting this link. So this is the virtual lab link on which we want to perform the experiment. So this is actual circuit diagram for the performing the experiment on a virtual lab. So to follow the step of each and every means, in first step that we want to increase the value of resistance. So we are increasing the value of resistance. So first of all the DP switch should be on. So we are clicking on this switch should be on and we are increasing the value of resistance. While we are changing the value of resistance, the current is changing. So after changing the value of current, similarly we want to start. So this all procedure is available with us. So please each and every follow the procedure while performing the experiments of a V lab. Okay, so in that particular diagram we want to get the actual solution, that is experiment number 5's solutions. So there are different window. So if we are checking the data, first of all closing this DPTT switch by increasing the value of the resistance of that particular circuit. So while we are starting this experiment, the all data is basically recorded here. This procedure is available with us, so we can start the storing the data. So after clicking at that particular link, the data will be stored. So if the data will be stored, if you want to generate graph, click on that particular link. So it will basically generate a graph which will shows the reading of a particular experiment. So this is the starting of or performing procedure of a three-phase alternator doing a open circuit test on a virtual lab. So this will be the actual procedure of the performing the experiments on a COEP lab. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for understanding. If someone has any difficulty, so it later on. So this will be the actual in concern with the virtual lab understanding or virtual lab detailed discussion while continuing the session of how to use a virtual lab for performing the practical of the student.